Anker has just released updated versions of their great wireless chargers, tailor-made for the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and iPhone 10. The new PowerWave 7.5 charging stand and PowerWave 7.5 charging pad are both capable of charging the iPhone 10, 8, and 8 Plus at 7.5 watts of power, and compatible Android devices like the Galaxy S9 at 10 watts of power. When the new iPhones launched, they only launched with support for 5 watts of wireless charging power, but that was soon remedied, upgrading that to 7.5 watts. And these are the first chargers from Anker that take advantage of that new faster charging speed. Using the new chargers, you can top off your iPhone 10 from 0 to 100% in 3 hours and 6 minutes. Of course, you could use a USB-C lightning cable and use fast charge and get it up quite a bit quicker than that, but if you're looking for something overnight or during the day on your desk, this will definitely do. Each of the chargers not only come with the charging stand or pad, it also comes with a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 power brick, which is normally decently pricey in and of itself. Most other chargers don't actually include the power bricks in the box, and by doing so, they're ensuring that you can actually get the faster speeds promised by including these faster bricks. Anker sells these little bricks by themselves for just around $15, so it is a really nice benefit that these are included in the box without you having to worry about it. Not only do they include the actual power brick, but they include the USB cable as well. They're pretty standard micro USB cable, and in use, I can definitely say I wish the cable was a little bit longer. Just needs a little bit more reach to get to some of the more typical places around my desk or my nightstand, but that's pretty easily remedied. Who doesn't have a ton of USB cables lying around their home? The most obvious difference is on the outside, which is the color change from the black ones that we've seen in the past to these new white ones, clearly made to match the Apple products. The charging pad itself feels like it got the biggest upgrade. On the bottom you can see the vents, which helps the heat and it prevents slowdowns, and the top of it has a really nice soft touch finish. It just feels better than the ones we looked at in the past, and because it has that soft touch finish, it means your phone's not going to go ahead and slide off overnight. The white look looks pretty great on anyone's desk. It's definitely a nice contrast where a lot of the chargers we've seen have taken on darker tones. There's also a really nice little status light on the side. It is not overpowering by any means, and it's actually really subtle. You almost don't notice it in normal room environment, but you can still see it's there when you need to check on it and see the status of your charging. I would say the charging pad is also a little bit on the large side. There are definitely smaller ones out there, but that bigger footprint makes it work with larger phones, whether you're looking at a Note or the iPhone 8 Plus. The bottom of the charger too also has a silicone pad, which means not only is your phone going to not slide off of the top, the charger itself is not going to slide off your desk. That's always nice when you don't have your charger moving around on you. Personally though, I kind of like charging stands more than charging pads. It allows me to easier see my notifications and the time on my phone. I'd use Anker's old wireless charger, which was pretty much the same thing. It looked nearly identical, but with that black finish instead of the white finish that we see on the new version. While they pretty much look the same other than color, the new one actually includes the charger in the box just like the charging pad did. That just again going to help with the faster charging that you can expect from the new PowerWave line of chargers. And just like the original charging stand from Anker and like the charging pad that we just looked at, I still have the same complaint. And that is the USB cord that's included is just a little bit too short. It simply doesn't really reach where I need it to reach. But again, pretty easily alleviated. Aside from giving you a better view of your iPhone when you get a notification, whether day or during the night, it also takes up a smaller footprint. So if space is of the essence, this is definitely the one I would prefer over the charging pad. It'll still provide the same 7.5 watts of power to an iPhone, 10 watts to other Android devices, and it still has the same subtle status light towards the bottom. That said, Anker does charge a slight premium for the charging stand over the charging pad. If you like either of these, you can pick them up for yourself at the links below in the description.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.